Look at this. There are 2,659 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into cryptocurrency to make a ton of money, you want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily on all the important news that moves the market, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin technical analysis and setups. Life-changing money starts here. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for me, leave a comment in the comment box. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin at 9,200. Hovering right here. If this yellow trend line breaks, expect more downside. You know, there's decent support about 8,500. The bulls are trying to put in a bounce here, a little double bottom. We're going to zoom in real quick to the smaller, lower term time frames. This is my buy signal though. Bitcoin's got to show me something different. Bitcoin hasn't been able to break 10,500 for a period of months and months and months. Until this happens, I'm not messing with Bitcoin. All this chop right here, not for me. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You see we had previously double bottom, moved to the upside. Double bottom, bounce. Had a double bottom. We got the move to the upside. Kind of turned into an inverse head and shoulders. Now pulled back. Here we are, double bottom, possible double bottom reversal. Very important that the bulls hold 9,000. You start to break below 9,000, bulls are in trouble. This is a 1-hour chart. This is a double bottom, kind of zoomed in. You guys see this? Double bottoms, gotta hold. You don't want to see this roll over. Again, you do not want to be caught in a bunch of downside if we continue below 9,000. Previously, I stated, hey, watch for a bearish retest of this level, and that's exactly what happened. There's a lot of bearish ideas on the higher time frames with Bitcoin, so just pay attention. It's the weekend. Weekend's starting. It can be hit or miss on the weekend. See, we've had some pretty good altcoin movement on the weekend, so we have to see what happens with that. I got a couple of shout outs to people in my trading group. Been just an amazing couple months we've had in the trading group. This person, I'm up $17,000 in June because of your setups. Perfect timing because he's not working. Ray said, Chris, your group is a real deal. You have 2,500 plus pairs of eyes working together. It's no joke. Yeah, I can keep an eye on so many aspects of this market. It makes it so much easier to trade. This person had about 14 trades, up about 9 Bitcoin, only one loser. That's phenomenal. Next person stated, I'm finally making some good trades and seeing my money grow. Joining the group has been the best investment into my future. The skills I've learned in a couple weeks have already turned my losses into gains. That's what this is all about. CME Bitcoin futures expired today, right here at this red vertical line. Boom, moved to the upside. So obviously there was a bunch of shorters. There's a bunch of people shorting Bitcoin, CME Bitcoin futures, and you got this move to the upside. You could see over on Bitfinex, the shorts were stacking, shorts were stacking, shorts were stacking. There's a lot of news coming for July. This is the Stargate upgrade for Atom or Cosmos. QLC chain has Some news, the Q Wallet DeFi landed. Q Wallet DeFi for QLC, remember that. Landed via Google Play Store apps. So you have this OTC module added to the DeFi token swap between DAI, Maker, Comp, and CDAI, as well as QGAS, DeFi token trading pairs. Bridges the QLC community with most heated DeFi protocols and lucrative interests. I mentioned some big name. Compound's been hot. Maker obviously is one of the largest DeFi projects. So, whale alert. Dude, there are so many scams in crypto. It makes me sick sometimes. I tweeted this on Twitter, retweeted it. Go over and follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. And this just shows a payment of about over half a Bitcoin was sent. There's a fake Elon Musk giveaway, and this tracks every time somebody sends a bunch of Bitcoin to the fake Elon Musk giveaway, this tweet comes out, and here it is, $5,400. Scammers got them. Why do all these scams exist? Why do these exist? Why do these scams exist? Because people fall for them. People new in the space do not understand what they're up against. People are trying to take your money. Never send your crypto and expect anything back in return, period. Never. You can, just so you guys know this, you can set alerts on trend lines in Tradingview. So let's say here you wanted to set an alert down here. When this support level breaks, I want to be alerted. So you right click and you go to add alert on horizontal line, right? Or you can do it on diagonals. You can add an alert on a trend line. Essentially, you'll be alerted when the trend line is crossed. And so you get an email. You can set it up for email notifications. You're looking at buying breakouts or taking profits. Like, you get email notifications to this stuff. This makes trading this market a lot easier. Major upcoming events in July. Pause this screen and print this. Put this on your whiteboard. This is whiteboard material. Whiteboard it. Whiteboard it. So BNB quarterly coin burn. LTO networks got news. Rivex, Bancor, Zilliqa, IOST, WRX, Tron 4.0 is coming. Ontology, the on-chain gas price. And I gave you guys the ONT setup, and gas is OMG has been the real winner. Their Verge, XVG Halving, Grin, Haven, CTSI, Cosmos, which we just talked about, Cardano, ADA, Shelly, Hard Fork. We're going to have an epic month for trading in July. Get ready. Write all this stuff down. You got to be organized. This is a business. Get organized. My head was in the way, so I wanted to make sure you guys get all these dates over on the right side. So just pause the screen and write these down on your whiteboards. This is pretty crazy. Yesterday's video, I was going through the compound, just ideas and whatnot. I just got added to Binance, and I just kind of on the fly said, hey, wait a minute. Here's a double bottom. If you guys just learn a couple of these ideas from watching this channel, you're looking at entry ideas. Even if you're just a holder, you say, Chris, I'm not a trader. I'm not a trader. Well, listen, even if you're a holder, you want to get in and see that the coin turns green. You know, the worst feeling in the world is you buy a coin and it's red. It's red the next day, right? Because you probably FOMO'd into the top. This helps you. These double bottoms are just that. It's the bottom, right? Bottoming pattern. So listen to this. Hey, here's a double bottom. What's going to happen? Okay, it's that simple. So what happened? Here we are. Same double bottom. It's broke out to the upside. Continued higher. Oh, looks like it's flattening out. Continued higher. Man, listen, this thing is up. Oh, and there's actually, here we go again. There's actually a bull flag right here. Bullish flag, right? So maybe you'll see continuation. But the point is, like, this turned into, it was $206 here. Double bottom turned into 30%. 30% gains on just this one simple idea. I caught it by accident, really. I wasn't planning on it. And then I posted my trading group. Go watch the YouTube video. This thing's up 10% already. Timestamp and everything. Had it all planned out. Sometimes it works out like that. But really, I just want to inspire you guys. You don't have to be amazing. You don't have to be a trader. You don't have to join the trading group. You can make, I mean, maybe you want to take it to the next level, you join the trading group. But if not, like, you can trade double bottoms and double tops and make a ton of money, right? Because, like, look right here. Double top, move to the downside, right? Look, double bottom, move to the upside. Double top, move to the downside. Here's a double bottom again, double bottom. See that? Move to the upside. You got other all over the place. Look, double top, move to the downside. Double tops and double bottoms, right? The reversal patterns. You just learn this on a 5-minute time frame. You could just sit and trade all day on this idea and make a ton of money. There's a lot of people right now in the world that are out of work. And so my idea is, listen, this channel is about empowering people, about empowering you guys. It's saying, hey, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. Technical analysis works in all markets. No matter what, you want to go trade stocks on Robinhood, whatever, understand a couple basic ideas that I teach you on this channel, and you're going to make a ton of money, period. And I just want to help you guys. Like, technical analysis has completely changed my life. I can't even tell you how much it's changed my life. And I just want you guys to have the same type of rewards and benefits. That's all. So this is MCO Visa cards issued by Wirecard UK for Europe. There's a problem. MCO quality project. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So there's a notice regarding Wirecard UK by the FCA. They've been requested to stop all activity on our card programs in the UK and Europe. So MCO customers in those regions will not be able to top up their cards or transact later today. So what happened is Wirecard is one of the biggest scams ever, apparently. And again, this is not saying anything against MCO. This is just, hey, they were using Wirecard, and Wirecard was just taking everybody's money. So essentially there was $2.1 billion that were supposed to be on Wirecard's balance sheet. Probably it never existed. So Ernst & Young said that the company had carried out an elaborate and sophisticated fraud. So not crypto related, tied to MCO, but there's fraud everywhere, right? Fraud is just part of it. Humans are greedy. We're greedy, right? Everybody's greedy. Everybody wants, and they just decided, hey, we'll take everybody's money. Now, MCO, again, this is not their fault. It has nothing to do with them. They said, hey, our customers' funds are safe. Don't worry. ZRX, this is a setup for you guys, not that you would listen to me or trade anything I talk about, but ZRX is a DeFi project and hasn't really taken off recently. Now, it was one of these, there's a pump group out there that pumped it crazy. It had an amazing run up, and now it's starting to, you've got this possible inverse head and shoulders. It broke out of this triangle recently. You could either look for a retest down here. Again, all your important Satoshi values are over here marked with the white blocks, or you can buy a breakout of this level. But ZRX is a DeFi project, and it hasn't taken off recently. Like in the last couple of months, these DeFi projects have gotten really hot, and I'm going to talk to you about, is it a DeFi bubble going forward? WRX is one where I want you to put this on your list. Like, I've got a list of coins that are just solid coins. Like their charts don't look like the others. Land, Data, Engine, Tezos, Zill, Link, Band. Add WRX to this. Look at this chart. Okay, so since WRX got added to Binance when it was 220 Satoshis, it ran up to, it 10x'd. It 10x'd. You bought $1,000 when it got added, and you made, if you took profits, you made a ton of money. This is one of those coins you just need to keep an eye on. Okay, here's your setup. You got to pull back down here. Aggressive buy might be possible. I don't know if you can see this. Aggressive buy, a retrace of the lower trend line. These are the targets. Again, don't trade this. Just, this is entertainment purposes only. But in WRX, put it on your map. Watch this coin. Main thing here is, you guys, no matter what, if you bought WRX right here, you'd hate WRX right now, right? Because you bought the top, right? It's all about timing. If you're buying, you got to draw these patterns, some basics, and understand that, hey, don't buy the top, buy the bottom. Anything on this lower trend line would have been good. You got an apex of this pattern down here. So you know this is going to break out in a certain period of time. Buy the second week of next month, probably sooner than that. Okay. Remember, this is a 12-hour chart, so it may not happen immediately, but with Coinigy, the way you set alerts, you go to this blue horn set alert, and then you can move this little bar, right? Move this little bar. So maybe you want to set it here, and then you confirm alert, boom, done. Okay, my computer is going to go and make all kinds of crazy noises. You know what that is? That's the money train. That's the money train. You got to set alerts. Set alerts on this stuff. It took me 2 seconds. It took me 2 seconds. I can cancel it. Boom, gone. Canceled. Over with. There's some basic tips, you guys. Make a ton of money. Here's Tomo. I gave this to you guys, 22% gains before. after. Boom. Man, these altcoins exploding. Compound's comp token paves the way for DeFi yield wars. This is, I don't feel very good about this situation. DeFi, you know, obviously it's hot right now, but I think comp, the way there's like yield wars, it's kind of presenting this whole new paradigm where it's just going to be bad for crypto, I think. It's kind of just like scammy. You know, somebody in the comments are like, it's like BitConnect 2.0. It's not quite to that point, but it's just, it's going to be hot. People like it, and people are buying the coins based on this idea. And so these coins are now trying to figure out, like, well, how can we duplicate what Compound's doing? Balancer came out. They already launched a similar incentive scheme. Incentive scheme. Keyword scheme. And they saw it skyrocket. Balancer came out and boomed. So this playbook of having a token might be something that stimulates high APR to drive assets on the platform. It's going to be a lot of what we see in the next 6, 9, 12 months. This is going to be like everybody tries to get in crypto and get really rich really quick. And they're driven by this just, I think it's kind of scammy stuff, personally. You know, there's a lot of uncertainty on this. Like, is this going to be successful long term? Is it sustainable? Probably it's not sustainable. There's this DeFi platform that comes out, and they're going to offer put options or shorts on Compound. So if you want to short Compound, there's this UMA, Universal Market Access. You'll have the ability to synthetically short Compound on its decentralized platform. And so this is just kind of turning into a mess, really. I think this is going to be kind of a mess. Like DeFi golden. But you're going to see all these like little spin-offs because it's going to attract people, because they're like, man, everybody wants to get rich quick, and that's what their greed makes us do crazy things. And greed's drawing us into a lot of these high yield returns, yield farming, and such. I don't know if it's good for crypto. The cross-chain revolution has begun. 10,000 Bitcoin are now on Ethereum, and this could be big for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's infiltrating DeFi. There's 10,000 Bitcoin locked on Ethereum. Could this signal a new role for Bitcoin as a primary? Could this signal a new role for Bitcoin as a primary choice of collateral in DeFi? So this 10,000 Bitcoin is wrapped Bitcoin, also Ren Bitcoin. So they take Bitcoin and essentially can use it on the Ethereum blockchain based on these ideas. So it just adds another value proposition, I think, for Bitcoin. Mapping the future of the SEC. This is big news. Jay Clayton, see you later. Jay Clayton, the SEC commissioner, he's trying to be appointed to U.S. attorney for the Southern District of New York. And President Trump is asking Congress to approve the corporate lawyer to become one of the nation's most powerful financial crimes prosecutors. If he's confirmed, the president will likely appoint one of the remaining SEC commissioners as acting chair until Clayton's successor is confirmed. This could be, and it's the acting chair is the senior most commissioner who belongs to the same party as the president, and this would be Hester Pierce, the crypto mom. The crypto mom running the SEC. Game changer. Let's just go. And then let's just speculate that the president's so busy with all the other stuff that's going on in the world right now that he just lets the crypto mom run the SEC, and we're crypto golden. Zilliqa staking on Binance projected to have high demand. Listen, they're talking about staking on Binance. You're looking at an annual yield of 5 to 10%. This staking is, I mean, think about it. You put a couple $100,000 in a money market account in the bank, and you're getting $45 a month. Like, it's not exciting, right? You're just like going to the bank and you're like, can I get any money? No, the rates are so low, it's ridiculous. And so this represents an idea. I think this is bringing a lot of people into crypto. Staking these yields. Again, this is not this yield farming per se, but again, this is attractive. You're getting 5 to 10%. Main thing is, like, you got to make sure that Zill's trending higher, right? You don't want to do this in a downtrend, because if Zill loses 10%, you're completely losing all your profits, right? Potentially more. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.